Good morning, dear children. Welcome to computer class. The main purpose of this class is to explain lesson 11 essential tool. Last week we already finished that chapter, but some students asked me to explain it again. So today what I'm going to do is I'll read the textbook and also I'll explain. So for that you have to take your textbook and you should watch the video carefully. Okay, so in this chapter we have three tools. One is spelling and grammar tool, second is thesaurus, third one find and replace. Spelling and grammar tool and thesaurus are present in review tab under proofing group, but find and replace is present in home tab under editing group. So first we are going to discuss what? First we are going to discuss find and replace. See in the textbook, take page number 57. See first you can see a story and it is written by a boy called Varun, and he was satisfied with his story, but he wanted to change the name of one character, to another name. Here that is name of Changu into Mangu, because Changu loved mangoes very much. So he wanted to change Changu's name into Mangu. See, if we are writing in a paper, if we are writing the story in a paper, we have to go through each and every line and we have to find the occurrence of that particular word. We have to rub it and replace it by Mangu. So it is a time consuming process. It is a tedious task. See, for example, see in this story, see, Kangu was an old man. He had a young lazy son named Changu. The first occurrence of Changu is in the second line. So we have to rub it and we have to replace it with Mangu. So if it is 100 or 200 pages story, we have to go through each and every line. It is a tedious task. Really, it is a tedious task, or it is a time-consuming process. So instead of that, if you are writing the story in MS Word, there is a tool called Find and Replace. This Find and Replace tool is used to find a particular word from the document and can be replaced with another word. So what is the use of Find and Replace tool? Find and Replace tool is used to search and swap text. Find and Replace tool is used to search and swap text. And Find and Replace tool is present in Home tab under Editing group. Okay, so if we want to make changes, we have to follow some steps. In the next page, it is given. See, first step. First, we have to take the cursor to the beginning of the document. See, I will demonstrate to you how to find a particular word from the document and how to replace it. For that, we have to follow some steps. Okay, I'll read the step and I'll show you how to how to use Find and Replace tool. Okay, dear children, you can find and replace text in Word quite easily. Let us learn how. First, take the cursor to the beginning of the document. Now I have kept the cursor at the beginning of this particular paragraph. And 2, click on Replace tool in the editing group. Already I have selected Home tab. Under editing group, I have to click on Replace option. Okay, and in the Find What text box, a dialog box will appear, and here in the Find What text box, I have to type Changu. I want to find the word Changu, and in the Replace with text box, I have to type Mangu. So I want to find the word Changu and it has to be replaced with the Mangu. So in the Find What text, I have typed Changu, and in replace with text box, I have to type Mangu. Then click on replace all option. It has finished the activity. Word has done 4 replacement. Okay, click on OK, then close it. You can see here, see all the words Changu is replaced by Mangu. Okay, so these are the simple steps to use find and to do find a particular word from a document and can be replaced with another word. Okay. Next is thesaurus. Thesaurus means what? Thesaurus means words dictionary, and thesaurus is used to find the meaning of words. Okay, now if you want to find the meaning of this particular word thesaurus, first we have to follow some steps. First, highlight the word whose meaning you want to check. See, I want to check the meaning of thesaurus. So what I have to do, I have to select this particular word. Highlighting means selecting. Okay. Then next step, click on review tab on the ribbon. Then we have to click on review tab. Okay. And third step, click on thesaurus tool in the proofing group. Then I have to click on thesaurus tool in the proofing group. Okay. Under proofing group, book-like icon is called thesaurus. I have to click on it. Then what will happen? This will open a research pane on the right hand side of the screen. This will display a research pane in the right hand side of the screen. This pane will display all the synonyms and antonyms for the highlighted word. Okay, here we can see only the synonyms. Antonyms are not available. Synonym means what? Words having similar meaning. Okay. Antonym means words having opposite meaning. See, in this search pane, we can see only words having similar meaning. See, vocabulary, glossary, okay, phrase book, word list, dictionary. All these are the different meanings of thesaurus. And I want to change the, I want to choose the word phrase book. Okay. So for that, what I have to do, click on your choice. See, I am going to choose this particular word, phrase book, and I have selected that. Then when I click the drop down arrow, we can see 2 options, insert and copy. See, in the textbook, one more option you can see, lookup. It is not available in my software. Okay, so take the mouse pointer over the word that you want to use. Okay, a small arrow will appear. Click on this arrow. It will show 3 options, insert, copy and lookup. But in my system, I can see only 2 options, insert and copy. Okay, actually insert option is used to what? Insert option. Insert will replace the highlighted word in the main document. Okay, when we click insert option, that automatically replaced in the main document. Okay, if I select insert, what will happen? See that thesaurus is turned to phrase book. Thesaurus is turned to phrase book. Okay, instead of that, if I select dictionary, and if we choose copy, what will happen? See, that word is stored in the clipboard. Clipboard എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു ടെമ്പററി മെമ്മറിയാണ്. നമ്മൾ കട്ട് ചെയ്യേ കോപ്പി ചെയ്യേ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള വേർഡ്സോ സെന്റൻസസ് ഒക്കെ ടെമ്പററി ആയിട്ട് ഈ ക്ലിപ്ബോർഡ് സൂക്ഷിക്കും. നോക്കൂ, ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ കോപ്പി ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ യു ക്യാൻ സീ clipboard dialog box over here. So clipboard is a temporary memory where we can keep all the copied items, So from here I have copied that word dictionary, so that is displayed in the clipboard. Okay, that is stored in clipboard. Okay, and then I can choose the location. See, I want to paste the word over here, right click and choose paste option. Right click and choose paste option to paste that particular word dictionary here. Dear children, for using spelling and grammar tool also, we have to follow some steps. Okay, first we have to keep that cursor at the beginning of the document. So I want to check a particular word. I want to make this particular paragraph free from spelling mistake. So what I have to do, I have to keep the cursor at the beginning. And second one, click on review tab. See, the review tab I have already selected. Click on review tab on the ribbon. Third step, click on spelling and grammar tool in the proofing group. We have to select spelling and grammar tool in the proofing group. Okay, so what we can see, yes, this will open a spelling and grammar dialog box with the first mistake highlighted and a list of suggestions. See, first mistake is highlighted. See, you can see a blue background. That means first mistake is highlighted, and also we can see a list of words in suggestion box. Okay, from this list we can choose the correct one. So actually electronic is the correct spelling, so we can just click on change. When we select change, select from the list words and click change button. Once the spelling check is complete, fifth step, once the spelling check is complete, word will begin to, the grammar check in the same dialog box. So see, when first word is corrected, it highlight the second spelling mistake, and also show a list of suggestions. Okay, here the spelling of process is PROCESS. Correct spelling is shown in the spelling and grammar dialog box. Click on change to change. Third is information spelling is wrong. Again we can click on change to correct. Again process spelling, we can click on change. Okay, thus we can make our document free from spelling mistake as well as grammatical errors using spelling and grammar tool. Only this much for today. Thank you so much. Read the textbook, study the question answers. Okay, and in page number 60, activity time is there. Complete the process. See, that is a homework. You can do it by yourself.